your boy Still FX, and you're welcome to my channel. I want to say thank you for coming back. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and give it a like. Also help the channel a lot and to grow. And we are dedicated to give you a strategy that always work. We have tested it and it worked. And this strategy, I can guarantee you that you can use a $2 account to trade this strategy and you grow this account. That's it. So what we'll talk before not wasting much of your time, let's show you the indicators which you are going to use, the parameters, then before showing you how to use them. So first, let's go to the indicator section. Let's go to the indicator section. Okay. So the first thing we want to be doing is the moving average. The moving average. So the period you set it at 10. Set it as 10. Press down. The shift is 0. Shift is 0. You set it at linear weight. Then apply to close. Then let the pixel be 3 pixel. The levels, leave it like that. Then you can set yours at any time frame depending on the time frame you're using. But me, I do set mine at the 5:15, 1 hour and 4 hours. So the 5:15, 1 hour and 4 hours, you set it like that. Then you press save. Then you see that the the when the main chart moving average is intact. Then if you let's go back to the second moving average, which is the window one. So you click on the window one, and then the next is the RXI. The RXI, the setting is period one. Apply to close. Then the pixel is 2 pixels 2. Then the levels you set them at 85 and 15. Then your 85 is your exit buy position, and the 15 is exit sell position, and the reverse is the case. If you want to buy, you buy from the 15 level, and if you want to sell, you sell from the 85 level. So that is just the level you'll be using for these RXI. So after that, as you can see in my chart, you see the RSI. So let's go to the next, which is the awesome oscillator. Click on the awesome oscillator. What you just need to do, you are going to use a default setting on this awesome oscillator. So there's no setting that you need to fix. You setting it at default. Just press it. There is the default, then press save. Then this is the awesome oscillator here. This is the awesome oscillator here. So in case you don't know it, let me put something so that we can identify it. This is the awesome oscillator. Sorry. The first window is the awesome oscillator. First window is awesome oscillator. So the next is we need another relative strength index, and the setting is period 1, apply to close. Then style is 2 pixel. Then the level is 85 and 15, as we've already said before. Then you can put it at all time frame, that is it. Then press save. Then what we need again is the moving average, which is the last thing we need. You set it at period 10. Shift 0. Model is linear width. Apply open. Then pixel is 3. Then time frame, you can put it 5, 15, 1 hour, 4 hours for this setting. So we are done with the indicators. So let's see how it works. So simply, this strategy is really good, and you can really use it to grow your account. But before you start applying it on your real account, please backtest it on the demo account to know if it's working for you very fine, because I've been using this. And guys, before we move on to show you how this strategy actually work, uh, I don't know, I want to open community community so that I could be posting some free signals for you with this strategy, and you can see it live as it works, as we run and profit. You understand? So if you want me to create that community, just simply drop the comment yes. Anytime if you have watched this video, just drop the comment yes. Drop create the community. So if I see a good response, I'll create a community and start dropping signals on the community for free. So let's go back to what we are doing. So for you to now take a trade on using this strategy, first of all first of all you first of all you you want your MACD to be at the oversold level. Okay, whatever we get here. Okay, you want your MACD to be at the oversold level. Are you saying it? Let it be at the oversold level, which is the 85%. If you want to sell with this particular strategy, it should be at the oversold. And likewise the likewise the uh, likewise likewise the RXI. So what you need to do is simply this. First of all, the moving average should cross cross on the 15-minute time frame, cross the candle on the 15-minute time frame. Then you wait and see the MACD reach the 85%. Then it will start moving from green to red. If you are selling, it will start moving from green to red. Then when you see it starts moving from green to red, you go to the other RSI and check if it's at the 85% too. Then it has crosses the 85%. So this is a perfect place of selling, and if you sell from here, you will be at a very massive profit. So that is how it works. So if you can see other ones, if you can see this place now, you won't take this sell trade, because like this other example here. You won't take this trade because it didn't get to the 15%, but here it got to the 15%, and it shot up, shoot up, and this is a strategy, a trade you wouldn't like to trade because it can fake you out and make you lose your money. But if you can see at this particular spot, coming, you can see at this particular spot, you can see that the moving average crosses, the moving average crosses, okay, and and the magnetic also mostly stock crosses 85%, then and the uh, RSI moving average crosses the 85%. So you'll be in a good position to take the buy when all these requirements are being met in the chart. These requirements are being met in the chart, and immediately you take it, there will be a drip down. There will be a massive fall down in the sell, or either buy you are buying. There will be a massive look at, if you take it after it crosses at this next candle that closes, you see that there was no return. It didn't retest back to, okay, maybe uh, hit stop loss or so. It just keep on selling. So that's how you trade this account. This, as I said before you start using this strategy to for your re account, go back test it, use it on your demo account and see how accurate it is and if it works for you. For me, I've used it and I've tested it, and it's really working very fine. So what I said again, if you want me to create a community channel and start dropping signals using this strategy, just simply go to the comment section and say, type yes on the comment section, and let's see how it goes. Let me open the community and start giving you free signal. So thank you for watching. uh, Wait for the next strategy that is gonna blow your mind.